Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. Now select Theme section, scroll all the way down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. Now just tap on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to the same settings, but this time, instead of scrolling down, select this plus under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!